Hi guys, my name is Isa, also known on the internet as Issaplease, and I'm vlogging on my cell phone today because who's a lazy girl? I'm a lazy girl. Today's Wednesday, and if you guys know, Wednesdays are my Hana days, and I'm usually not allowed to leave the house on Wednesdays because if you didn't know by now, I actually edit my own vlogs because my content is a little bit more sensitive. On Wednesdays, I am on house arrest basically. Up until the video comes out, I'm still editing because I like to do everything last minute. If there are any last minute changes, I need to be at home on my desktop ready to edit them. So sometimes, like right now it's 3 o'clock, I'm basically virtually done, but I still cannot leave the house and my nails are and so I remembered that there's actually finally a dependable home service for your nails and your body. So I got in touch with Celebrity Nails and I asked them if they could come over and do my nails and do my, just make me feel good because tonight is Paulo and now my grandmother's birthday. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna get my lashes done this week. I'm also finally might get a haircut. I have to contact my uncle. And then I am also most likely gonna get my hair treated. I'm so excited for that. It's just like this week, it's just like Pamper week. I feel like I'm finally like rewarding myself for all the hard work. By the way, if you guys are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me, hit that notification bell, thumbs up. Follow me on my socials, please. Okay, bye. Hello. Hi, good afternoon. Oh, kadako si Mamalata. Ben. Ooh, she has a whole shebang. So today at the mag-unsa ta, mani, pedi, and then
Foot spa.
foot
And
spa.
paraffin.
Oh wow. Wow. Oh yeah, you know what I really like about them is that they use really nice Morgan Taylor manicure and Orly. They're all nice brands. I'm a zombie. Look at that. Ah, that is so amazing. I've got new glasses. I'm about to get my hair done and did. My nails are feeling fresh. I feel like a really good, well-rounded adult. Like for the first time in my whole life. Wow. Show them.
Corned beef?
Wait, I'm taking a vlog of you. Show them what it is.
Okay, so this is Jollibee's new product. It's cheesy bacon pie and cheesy corned beef pie.
Wait, introduce yourself.
Marketing major.
Sure. Show your face, Siege.
Can't, I don't have vlog. I'm sick. It's only 49 pesos. Go na.
This is my brother-in-law, and this is my nephew-in-law. No.
Dad, come on, can we try it?
It's Pamper. And this is Paulo. Osaka cheesy corned beef pie.
Order one.
Oops, the vlog is cancelled.
Yeah.
They didn't have anything.
Scam.
Scam.
CJ, don't shout.
Higa. And then, nasa ka? Chicken, fillet, alagwing.
So we just arrived at, where are we? Club Serena in Moalboal, and I'm gonna take you to my room. So we're actually here because it is our Lola's, my husband's grandmother's 88th birthday. So we're here to celebrate, bring her to the beach, and just have a good time. Oh wow, it's so pretty! I've never been to this one. Wow! This is so pretty!
Nice.
It is legit nice. I just hate that I had to climb three stories. But it was worth it. Oh, see, I want my room to look like this. You can stay in it too if you want. Hey guys, it's a Monday. I really decided that I could not stand my hair anymore, so we are getting a haircut. I know this isn't gonna sit well with a lot of you, but I really cannot stand my hair. It's so heavy, so we're just gonna go get our haircut. I am on my way to my uncle. He always cuts my hair, This is my Tito. Say hi, Tito! He's been doing my hair for a while. And he said I look like a gypsy, so we're gonna cut it. Okay, so my uncle asked if he could color my hair, and I said yes. Hi guys, it's me, Issaplease. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am with...
Bye, hat. LMG.
Wow, LMG. We're with Alam Garcia, and we just finished shooting an episode for Bayhana, and today I am gonna get my Tragus piercing. So that's this part of my ear, and the reason why I wanted to have it pierced is because it was recently my birthday and I kind of wanted to do something crazy. So we're getting this area of my ear pierced, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me because I think it's gonna be painful, and I know you guys are gonna have a lot of questions after, so we might as well vlog it. Say hello to Laura. Hello. Say hello to Calvin.
Hello.
Calvin is my uncle. Lorraine is my friend, my very good friend, my bridesmaid. Who's dating your uncle? Who's dating my uncle, which makes her my aunt. And when me and Paul have babies, this means that she's gonna be a Lola! Yay. I'm more excited for her to be a Lola than for Calvin to be a Lolo. Because Laura hates kids. Okay, so we're here. We're at TFM Beauty Salon, and we are here because they're on sale. Right, Lorraine?
Hope so. They said until November 10th.
Yeah. Okay, so we went through the earrings. And
It's so hard to pick one out. They're all so cute.
lucky. I went for this one. It's really tiny and it's kind of like a teardrop to match my ring. Char lang. And then this one.
Are these for belly buttons?
I think so. I don't know what this is for. I think it's for an ear.
I like this.
Cute nut Laura. Laura has remarkably small ears, like a small Tragus. But she can get it, so that's good. So you're gonna get your Tragus pierced, and then you're gonna get another earring.
I want one more here.
Ah, cute. Oh shit, now I want the third earring. But I barely put earrings on my second manggod.
So this is Issa getting her ears pierced at TFM.
Oh, how do I get this? Ow, ow, don't pinch me. You should have let me go first. No, because I'm gonna back out.
Ah, okay.
Give my heart, give my heart. Holy shit.
Oh my god! Back out na kais.
Kaya ka na nasusunod sa kalunggan. Oh, fuck.
That looked really scary.
Is it done?
Almost. She just has to screw in the rosca. That was super fast, by the way. Amazing work.
Wow.
One yours?
Yeah, this one for now. I have to recover for a while. Wow, that was really good. It was so fast. I didn't have time to like think of how painful it was. Holy shit, so that's what happened. Wow, we did it, Lorraine. It actually doesn't hurt. It just has like that weird pain after.
It was like semi-traumatic.
So guys, I just came back from getting my eyelashes lifted. Check that out. Okay, you can't see that much. But I just came back from getting my eyelashes lifted, and next week I'm gonna get my eyebrows retouched. So these are microbladed. And if you want to know where I get all these services done, I get them at Winked. I love Winked. I've been with them for I think around 2 years already, and the girl who I love, Mikey, is such a professional. She's so good. Her work is the best. And so I am a Winked girl. I am an ambassadress for them, and you know what? I am so super duper loyal to her. Yeah, so that was my self-beauty, self-love journey. I think I spent like the last 3 weeks just really taking care of myself. I got my hair done and everything, and I also got my nails done. I got these at La Shasta. They are Aeneas Fortuna. You can find them on why can't I say that? You can find them on Instagram, and the owner is Japanese and she does the nail art herself. I don't know if I actually got videos of that, so we're just gonna have to see. That's basically how I take care of myself, or how I've been taking care of myself. And I also need to get a facial, but then I really want to post this vlog already, so I'm just gonna have to find another spot. So yeah, I also want to get more skincare products because my skin has been really bad. But for the most part, that's how I've been taking care of myself. So I would say that I would check out Celebrity Nails if you're just lazy and you want to stay at home and you don't mind getting your nails done like every week, every 2 weeks. But if you want something more permanent and something that stands out a little bit more, something that'll last longer, then definitely check out La Shasta. And yeah, I think that's basically it. So I hope that you like this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!